Hello, happy Friday. Hopefully, you're doing this paper on Friday. Maybe. I don't know. Happy whatever day that it is. Hope you guys are doing well. Miss you a lot. And I'm going to go over lesson 5 from your packet and do a quick lesson on what it's about and do some review with you guys. And then I'll show you your paper. That way, you will be super prepared to do your paper. So the first thing we're going to do is our story problem like we've done every day this week. I've started with a story problem because I really want you guys to continue practicing story problems and continue practicing number sentences and number bonds because you're going to be doing that all the time in first grade. So I want you to keep working on that as much as you can. So here's my story problem for you. My dog was being so bad outside and he dug 16 holes in the ground. In 10 of the holes that he dug, he buried a bone inside. So you would draw a bone inside all those 10 circles. In the other 6 holes, we made him go fill it back in. So he filled it up. So you could color it in to show that he covered it with dirt. So think about he had 16 holes in the ground, which would be a circle. In 10 of the holes, he put a bone. And in 6 of the holes, he covered it with dirt. So I want you to draw that on your paper. And then I want you to make a number bond about what we did. We had 16 and we broke it into 2 parts. So think about what those 2 parts are and draw that on your paper as well. So what I would have done for my number bond, I would have written 16 in the hole because that's how many all together. And then my 2 parts would be 10 to show the 10 holes with a bone in it and 6 to be the 6 holes that got filled back in. So 10 and 6 all together makes 16. Okay, so today's lesson is going to be a little bit different because it's a lot like what we did yesterday. Your paper is going to be pretty similar to what you guys did yesterday. But we need to practice counting the say 10 way because that's going to help you get faster and faster at working these teen numbers. The more you practice, the faster you'll get. So the first thing we're going to do is do our say 10 push-ups together, count 10, 1, 10, 2 together. And then we're going to play a little bit of a game and I'm going to show you a number and you have to say what the number is so you can practice that at your house. So first let's get our hands ready to count the say 10 way. Get ready, go. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. So here's what we're going to do next. I'm going to show you a number, and you're going to say out loud what that number is. So for example, if I went like this, you would say 10, 1. Okay? So I'm going to do a few of those, and I want you to just shout out what it is. Hopefully you said 10, 2. Next. Ten, 5. Next. 10, 4. 10, 7. 10, 7 again. Tricked you, maybe, probably not. Okay, let's do 2 more of those and then I'll show you your paper. 10, 10. All right, last one. 10, 3. So we practice counting the say 10 way, and your paper is a little bit tricky, so I want to show it to you. It looks like this. It's got 3 columns, and in the middle it says number, and on the right and the left it says before and after. So I'm going to go down the middle column and read the numbers to you. 10 and 4, 10 and 2, 10 and 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 1, 10 and 9. And so this column over here, says before. And so on the before column, you're going to be writing the number that's 1 less. So the first one is done for you. It says 10 and 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. Remember, 1 less gets smaller. So I would write 10 and 3. Go to the next one. Your numbers are 10 and 2. Think about what is 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2 is 1, so I would write 10 and 1. And then I'm going to come over here to my other column that says after, and you're going to write the number that's 1 more. So if my middle number is 10 and 2, 1 more than 2 is 3. So I would write 10 and 3. So the whole row would say 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3. So on one side you're doing 1 less, and on the other side you're doing 1 more. And that's just going to help you continue to practice the Say 10 way, which is eventually going to help us be able to know all of our numbers from 11 to 20 and how to break them into tens and ones, which is going to really help you in first grade because you're going to be doing lots and lots of tens and ones when you get to first grade. So there's your paper. Please call me if you have any questions. That paper's a little bit odd, so just call me if you need anything. And I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys are doing great, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.